Morning, everyone. Shall we keep this crafting party going or what? I'm your host, Valerie Stupp, and I hope you're going to spend the next 2 hours with me because we are going to have so much fun. I have so many things that are brand new, things that are just saved just for my morning with you this morning. And we have really, really exciting things to celebrate this crafting day, like 4 flex pay on all of our crafts. Plus, get this, $5 flat rate shipping, and that ships your entire crafts and sewing order. So we are super thrilled. I know a lot of you have been staying up all night. I know some of you are just getting up. So let's get this party started with our very first item, which is brand new. This is an exclusive launch here at HSN. And we have Stephanie Barnard. And Stephanie, I kind of need to brag on you. So first off, Stephanie's the creator of this line called the Stamps of Life. She's been in the crafting industry since 1998. But get ready for this. Stephanie has over 4.3 million views on YouTube, you guys, and she has over 21,000 subscribers. So maybe many of you already know this beautiful lady.
Well, and they're watching. They are all watching.
Yay.
Hi, everybody.
Welcome in to HSN. You know what? We're live, Stephanie.
Yes, we are.
So we could put our testimonial line open for you to give us a call and give Stephanie that big HSN welcome.
And I have to say hello, my friends. I'm always known for that. Hello, my friends. And hello. How are you? I'm excited to be here.
I'm so excited. Can you give everybody, if they're not one of your 21,000 subscribers, how did you create this company and what is this company about?
Well, my husband and I started the company 9 years ago, exactly September 1st. So I'm very excited about that. And so we're going to have our anniversary pretty soon. And we people kept coming up to me saying, oh, we miss you in the industry. We want to see what you come up with and everything. And so I said, you know what? My uncle said, why don't you do it? And I said, okay, we'll start a company. And we started the company on a dare and a prayer because he dared us and we prayed a lot about it, and here we are, 9 years later.
I love it. Well, let's show everybody what they're getting this morning, because this is an exclusive set that you cannot get anywhere else. It's the only airing. We're only able to bring in 400 sets, and this is your watercolor markers and stamps Try Me kit. So these are actually dual-ended markers. There's 12 of them, and then you're going to get an ink pad. You're going to get the acetate sheet. You're going to get 3 watercolor pens and 9 clear stamps. So I know everybody at home wants to hear from you, the expert, as to how to use these, when to use these, what kind of projects we can do. So let's get started.
Okay, well, the reason why I came up with this kit was because people would always come up to me at conventions and they'd email me and they'd say, Stephanie, what do you do with coloring? I want to get into coloring, but I'm not sure what to do. And I said, you know what? You can get the fancy, fun markers that, and spend some money on them and have fun. But you know what? Just start. Just do it. You just have to do it. And so I put this kit together. And it comes with this piece of acetate. And my husband, when we packed these, because yes, we packed these, he said, why are we doing this? What is one piece of acetate? Well, you know what? You need it. It's kind of like your ink palette. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the 12 markers, and they are dual tipped, by the way. So we did need to mention that. They have the brush at one end. And then at the other end, they have this cute little fine tip. So if you wanted to do some little like writing or anything like that, we're going to focus mostly on the brush tip with our coloring.
Okay.
And what we're gonna do, and I've already stamped it because you get this adorable stamp set, which, by the way, we have to also mention, the Stamps of Life stamps are all high quality, made in the USA photopolymer. I love that. And that's very important because you get that extra high quality stamp. They're nice and thick. I have some here. We can peel them off. Most of you all know how to use the clear stamps. You're gonna clean them with cheap baby wipes, put them back on the carrier sheet just like that. Easy peasy. Okay. Well, I've already stamped a couple here. So we've just stamped some here. And what we're gonna do is we have 3 water markers also included in the kit. So included in the kit, they have 3 different tips. So I have fine, medium, and large. I like to use the medium one. That's just one of my favorites. What I'm going to do is I am going to, on my acetate, I'm just going to scribble. Just scribble, easy peasy. And then I'm gonna take my water brush and I'm just gonna pick up some of that ink. And on the edge, I'm just gonna kind of go like this, just kind of see what color I get here. And then I'm simply going to color. Now it got a little lighter there, so I'm just gonna pick up some more. And I can do this one right here. There's no wrong way to do it. And as I mentioned to you earlier, the fun part about this is when you do this, let it dry, and then you're going to come back to it and go, whoa, I'm an artist. And that happens to me every time, because sometimes I'll say, I'm not sure if I like that, but then I go back to it and I look at it and I say, oh my goodness, I'm a master. So you're just simply going to color with this just like that. The shading is already included because you're getting that watercolor effect.
Right.
And it's gorgeous. And then you can also do something like this where you have your beautiful background and then you're just gonna stamp on top of it. Again, another thing included is that ink pad. It's archival ink. My ink pads are amazing because they have this solid surface. There's no felt involved. There's no little twiny little pieces of ribbon or anything in there. It is a solid surface. You're getting a nice, clean image every time you stamp.
I love that. Well, with this complete set, today it's on a fall price. Obviously, it's our big crafting day. You would normally spend over $45 if you were to get this from Stephanie outside of here. And we're also doing 4 flex pay. So $6.24 to get, remember, you're getting 12 of the dual-ended markers. You're getting 3 of the water markers, and those have different tips at the end. You're getting the stamp pad, and you're also getting the stamps and that sheet of acetate. So let's see some of the finished products, because I think this to me, and correct me if I'm wrong, seems like something you could do with your grandkids. You could do with your neighbors. You could have a book club.
Anybody.
I mean, this is like for an all ages, all level type of event.
It's definitely all levels, and the most important thing to do is, what I like to do is I like to be in my scrap room or my stamp room, and I stamp a whole bunch of different items, and then I'll go turn on HSN, sit in front of the TV, and I'll color and shop at the same time. That's my favorite thing to do, because it's just so much fun just to sit and relax. Make sure it's fun. Just have fun with it. That's the most important thing. So let's look at a couple samples. These are just watercolored, and you're looking at that. I know, isn't that pretty? And what I want you to see is this is so easy. You're just going to grab some of that ink.
Okay.
And this is just really easy, and we're just going to color. Whoops. We're going to grab some more ink, and we're just going to color that. And every time you add more water, it's going to get lighter and lighter, and then you're going to go on to another color each time, and it's just going to get lighter and lighter, and then you're going to get looks like this. And what I did on this one, where did it go? Oh, I stamped after it was dry. Isn't that beautiful? It really, really makes it pop. And then I wanted to show you this one. Because this is coming up later in the craft day.
Okay.
But this die set. But look at how beautiful that little party hat is. Isn't it adorable? And it's so much fun. And it's a perfect card size. So you can do any different kind of thing like this just by adding different colors. So there's another sample.
Remember, I mean, here's the things. I mean, you guys already know this. You guys are the artists. You guys are the creative minds. But you just need the right tools to be able to do it. So maybe watercolors is something you've never, really kind of experimented with. What a great opportunity to be able to do that from Stephanie. She's bringing this to you. This is an exclusive set. And we call it a Try Me Kit because, if you just want to try it, why not? We always give you a 30-day unconditional money-back guarantee, even on all your craft items. You could go through and use everything and decide if you don't love it, you can send it back with no questions asked, and we'll give you a full refund of your purchase price. But it's $6.24 to get it home. This might just be what you need to kind of be soothed, to be relaxed. Don't worry about coloring outside the lines. Who cares? It doesn't have to be perfect. But then every finished product has this really nice dimension, the highs and the lows. I mean, all of the cards that you could make, all the personal sentiments that you can do.
And you can use any of the stamps that you already have also. That's important to know. You can use any stamps that you have. Just use this special ink pad because it's archival ink. It's perfect for watercoloring. And then just have fun. And just play.
I know we only have about 30 seconds. Can I try? All right, so walk me through the set. Walk me through the steps.
So grab a color. Pick a color, anyone you want.
Let's do pink since I'm feeling pink.
Pink is awesome.
All right, and I just go to the acetate. And I just scribble it on. Okay, I can do that.
And then you're just going to grab a pen and just pick one up. And you can squeeze it just a little tiny bit. Just there you go. And just go ahead and color one of your roses.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Look at that. Isn't that fantastic?
Look at that.
And you can get more ink, and you can always, look at that. It's so easy.
You guys.
And that's so important to know that anyone can do this. Oh, and my nephews, 5 and 7, love to do these. They have so much fun. They stamp their favorite images, and then they color.
So easy, so vibrant, so just something that I think everybody's going to enjoy and love. And these are gifts that you can share with everyone. And you could say, I made this, I did this.
You
Stephanie,
watercolored it.
What a treat and an honor it is to have you. And thank you to all of those that joined us this morning to see Stephanie big debut here at HSN. So I'm so excited. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay.